Do you have an orange lipstick that you want to use but you're afraid to use it because you think it is too bright? I'm going to show you how to use it and make it work for you. Find a liner, you can find a black liner, a brown liner, or this one is called Coffee Bean Liner by Black Opal, or a burgundy liner, and you're going to line your lips because you got to wear that orange lipstick, especially this time of year where you want to rock it. You can. So we're going to line our lips. And you can line your lip any way you want to. Line your lips heavy, line your lips light, rock it the way you want to. Now my lips are lined. I'm going to take that orange lip color. This is what it looks like in the palm of my hands. This is what it looks like in the back of my hands. It's orange. And we're going to make it work. You can wear it matte, or you can put a gloss over it and make it glossy. It depends what you're going for, but you can rock your orange lip color. If you want to put more brown or whatever liner, and then a little bit of it. But either way, it is pretty, isn't it? Rock your orange lipstick.